Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock more hairstyles in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to get new hairstyle, you need to go to the Droi store, and the store is at the central square. So go to the central square and then you're going to go to the store, and you're going to go to the second floor and then find the salon, a mirror in the salon right here, and you can tap on the mirror, and then here you will be able to change your appearance. You can change your skin tone and then the hairstyle and so on. And then guys, here you will be able to buy more hairstyles, and for me I'm going to buy this one. Okay, you can click on purchase, and as your level go higher, you will unlock more hairstyles right here. Okay, it's still locked and I need to level up my DG member level to unlock all these hairstyles. And yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock more hairstyles in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!